Hello friends, welcome to your channel Stock Doctor RR. Today I have analyzed one stock, it's called is Castrol India. Some time back I have given a buy call on this stock when it was trading around 150 rupees. Now I want to tell you guys why it's a buy. So let's see here. This stock was trading in the downtrend from 2016 in this channel. Okay, and now today it has given a breakout. If you see here, today it has given a solid breakout. Okay, and in a shorter time, you can see here it was trading in this channel and it has given the breakout on this channel, right? So at this point of time, it is trading around 151 rupees, and if it managed to close above 150 rupees today, then I see that this stock can go up more in coming future, and I can see the support for this stock around 120 rupees. So I think this stock would perform well if is if it stay above 150 rupees, and uh, I am keeping the target as open at this point of time, but in the shorter time frame it can go towards 170 and 180 rupees. And look at the today's volume. uh, the yesterday's volume was good, today's volume is also good, and let's see what weekly chart says. You can see there is a breakout on weekly chart as well. Breakout has not happened yet, but uh, it is preparing for the breakout on the weekly chart. So I guess this video will help you to analyze and decide uh, on taking position in this stock. This is the monthly chart, and in the monthly chart also you can see the volume is so high here. So definitely I will look for 170 and 180 rupees from here. All right guys, I hope if you like this video, then please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you guys. All the best with your investing and trading.